Here's my second video on how to subscribe to Journaler. Before we covered the step of signing up as a new user, and we mentioned that it's possible to also sign in as a Xero user. So let's cover this step now. You go into the sign in with Xero option. It's pretty simple from there. And I'm just logging in. Okay, and now I get asked the same thing you would do when you first log into Xero. So you get prompted to put in your authentication key from your Google Authenticator. A good idea to always skip this step for 30 days if it's your own computer. So you don't get asked every time. You confirm. And now you're in. So that's the great thing about us. You can actually just make your way into your integration, and here we are. Already have a profile set up here. Therefore, that's the other bit which I'll get into my other videos. Another reminder, when you first subscribe, is to note we offer you a yearly discount. So at the moment there's a 10% yearly discount. You can get a much better deal on that. As mentioned before in one of my videos, you should choose, if you're the first time user, to pick a profile that gives you the most, just because it's free. You will be taken to the payment details, but nothing to worry about, just because from there you can cancel at any time within the 30 days. And that's all. Thank you for listening.